Hey guys, so today I've got a 2020 BMW 530 and I'm going to show you how to check the oil level with the electronic dipstick. This vehicle does not have a engine dipstick like normal cars, so there's an electronic dipstick, basically oil level sensor built inside. To check that, first we're going to put the vehicle in diagnostics mode. By that, we're going to press the start button, stop button 3 times real fast. 1, 2, 3. You can confirm it's in diagnostics mode when all these lights, the engine light and all the other lights come on. So first we gotta go to this menu over here and we gotta maneuver using this dial and then the enter at the bottom. So first we're gonna close all the messages, press the menu button. I was already on the oil menu, so I'm gonna go on the main menu first. Press the menu button, go to the car, press enter, vehicle status, enter. And over here, you're gonna see tire pressure monitor, engine oil level, check control messages, and services required. We're gonna go on engine oil level. It says engine oil level okay, which usually comes on, which is the last reading that was read. So after an oil change, to check the proper oil level, we have to do engine oil measurement. So press enter. We have to start the vehicle and let it warm up. And once it gets to the operating temperature, that's when you can see the correct oil level. So I'm going to start the vehicle. Once it gets to the temperature, press start measuring, and you're going to see this countdown. Alright, so this is the electronic dipstick and oil level is right on dot. So that's all we need to check the oil level on this vehicle. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.